All right, we're at this property here. It's a regular customer we currently have. So we're just gonna do the front yard here, the back, not the back, just the side. And then we'll check out the backyard and probably just let him spray in that. But pretty easy job here. Let's knock it out. All right, while Rick's taking care of that yard, I sprayed the back, got all that taken care of. Front's looking pretty nice. Rick's keeping busy over there. I'm going to run over and take care of this other property. So let's go check it out. All right, here's the other property we did, and I paid this guy just under that palm tree, which looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go take care of him, pay him. We'll come back and clean up all those palms. But he did a great job. Nice. All right, I see he's right over here, the guy that did the palm tree. He charged me 25 bucks. I charged the customer 85, so that's a quick $60 without really doing much. So we're gonna go over here, pay him, and then head back to see how Rick's doing over at the other property. So yeah, we're humming along here, that's for sure. All right, done deal. Here's his rig. This guy's a hustler, man. He's already told me he's done like 9 palm trees, and it's not even noon yet. So he charges $25 for like referrals. That's what he'll do for one. But like this property here he just knocked out was $175 job to knock these palms out. So pretty good deal. All right, we're all finished here. Weeds are all picked up. Some are sprayed. Here's the front yard. Looks pretty good. I sprayed all underneath the bushes. Got little weeds here sprayed there. So it looks pretty good. What do you think, Rick? We're done, huh?
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, on to the next job. All right, palm tree. Looks good. Property looks good. Now we gotta take this stuff, which will just end up burning on the side of my house. So off to the next little project. All right, this property may look familiar. This is where Rick went up to the door and asked the guy if we could do his yard. It's not that bad, so we're just gonna pull up. He left?
The guy's gone.
Maybe knock on the door. So even if he's not here, we'll do it because he's right here. Yeah. So yeah, how's this yard going?
Good. Real good.
Pulling it by hand, dude. Rocking and rolling.
That's because they're big and easy.
Yeah.
And it's cleaner that way.
Yeah, it does. I mean, and it's fresh too. It's newer stuff.
Yep.
If it was sitting in there for a year, man, that'd be a pain in the butt to get out.
Right. I can't believe we just missed them, man. That's crazy.
Yeah. Well, he'll see when he comes home and it'll be all done. Right. Cool, cool. It's that whole word of mouth. People see people doing yards out here, and next thing you know, hey, I need my yard done. It's like taking candy from a baby. All right, let's go talk to my man over here who owns all this property. See what we got going on in here. Oh, wow. Wow, that is incredible. So I just left this house here. He owns 7 rental properties. He's actually flipping this one. I was telling him what I do in terms of reselling and all this, and he's like, man, I'd love to do like some kind of seminar with you. This guy's a pro. But here's the great part. I'm so happy right now, is that he's paying me to remove a table that's in the property, and then I'm doing the landscaping for this here. There was the real estate agent here, one of the big guys. He's like, let me get your card, blah, 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 blah. I got lots of work for you in terms of landscaping and junk removal, so heck yeah, awesome. All right, on my way to get paid for a previous job, plus the woman whose yard we did has another home where she takes care of her mother who's like 91 years old. So while I get paid, I'm gonna bid out that lawn job. So yeah, turning into pretty positive day, and there was almost a wreck right in front of me. Craziness. So let's go over there and grab some cashola. 1186. Yeah, look at these. These are nice homes. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. When you start looking at homes like this for landscaping and weed stuff, they pay more. There's no doubt about it. No doubt about it. This house needs some work done. Let's let's find the one we need to go to because I need some monies. And I just got another phone call from another woman who wants a quote, so I'm trying to find opportunities here. Good God, this is confusing back here. Ooh, look at this. What's the address here? Here it is, 1216. Okay. So we got a little bit of landscape here. Here's a fountain. This is nice. Let's go see what we could do here. All right, leaving here. This is a nice little area. But got the business monthly here taken away from somebody else because they're just not happy with how the person is doing things. We got a lot of work here, so this is great. The sprinkler problems they're having, but it's gonna be monthly stuff here on this property here and their other home, which is amazing. So that'll keep me and Rick busy. But this is just, you know, you come by, you kill the weeds and you trim the bushes, you know, just maintaining the stuff. So I got a check from them for my for the amount for the other house there. So all right, so I'm pretty excited about that. They're paying really good money for me to maintain both those properties, and that's a gorgeous home, and they got money, so that's great. That's amazing. I'm gonna head back now because Rick's still working on that other lot, and I got a couple more things to do. I mean, it's been just a crazy day working on things. I've got, if the guy's still there to pick up that table, I gotta pick up the table from that home, and then I just got a phone call for somebody that wants me to come and quote their yard. So I'm not complaining, man. You know, if things are selling online, you know, and this is just side hustle work, man. I mean, you know what? Why not, right? It keeps me busy. It keeps me in shape, you know. It's hard work, but you know what? I'm still young enough, man, where I can go out and do this type of stuff, and that's great. But also, what's even more amazing is it's helping Rick, you know, put a little bit of cash in his pocket, get his confidence back, and it's just a win-win. So really excited here. Let's go pick up Rick and see how he's doing. Hey, look at Ricky. Yard's looking pretty good. Hey, all right. Let's see if we get paid today too. Nice. All right, here's the house here. We're gonna give this woman a quote and see how it goes. All right, ending the day here. Another slam dunk, huh?
Yes.
Another little yard we're gonna do right here. Here's the yard. Mike? This was somebody you dropped the flyer off to. Right.
For the viewers' information, Mike's gonna be doing the backyard. I'll be doing the front.
Why is it that bad? Oh, then why did you sell it so cheap?
Well, because it's only a short.
Oh, okay.
100. I mean, man.
We'll figure it out.
And they said they'd probably get some more. I know she will.
Yeah. They seem like good people.
They do. Yeah, they are.
Got a table, a free table in the back. I'll show you guys when we stop here. But yeah, it's a great day today. Yeah. Busy. Work. We got more work tomorrow. So
very cool.
You happy, dude? Like freaking things are coming together.
Be more happy if we go to McDonald's.
Yeah, right on. Yeah. All right, back home here. Here's the table. It's not that bad. It's got a little wear on it, but it's going to stay here overnight to just to clean up tomorrow and photograph and list it. I don't know, 30, 40 bucks. It's pretty solid. So we'll unload this stuff. So here's some of the tooling we've been using, and then start again tomorrow. All right, Rick, what is it? Cold out here, dude?
It's freezing.
All right. Here's the moment of truth. Here's the palms. Gonna light this mumbo jumbo on fire.
I'm in the mood to start a fire today.
Don't tell me it ain't gonna burn. There we go.
Palm trees burn forever. You know that?
Oh, go grab a stick. Oh yeah, burning the palm trees, baby. Thank goodness I got a burn permit. $5 for 30 days worth of burning. You gotta love that. One of the benefits of having a lot next to the house here. In the desert. Yeah. This actually feels good, nice and warm. vlog over.